Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. Today I will share 3 more amazing Canva apps with you which are available for Canva free users. So without wasting time, let's get started. The first app I'm going to talk about is FrameMaker. Open the app, go to apps and search for FrameMaker. With this app, you can create different kinds of shapes for your frames. Canva already has many shapes for frames and the Elements tab, but with FrameMaker, you can create even more customized shapes according to your liking. So this is the interface of the FrameMaker app. You can use their already made shape from here as well. The frames we can make using this app are more on the geometric side. It would be great if they could add options to create curves as well. And see these corner points that you can move anywhere on the grid. You can also add as many points as you want on the grid by just double clicking on the grid. You can remove any of these points by clicking on remove a point and you will be able to delete any of these points. You can see the points are automatically snapping on the grid because the grid snapping is on. And if you turn off the grid snapping, you will be able to freely move these points anywhere on the grid. I will just leave it turned back on and once you are happy with the shape of your frame, you can scroll down and click on add to design and the frame will be added to your canvas. Now let's add an image inside the frame I created. I will go to elements and search for an image and place it inside my frame. As you can see, the frame maker works really well. You can create as many geometric shapes as you want for your frames and then place your images inside this frame. Well, let's move on to our next app, which is called Embed. This app is used to embed media from different websites in your Canva documents, which was previously not possible. I have created this document to show you how to use this app. If you don't know how to create a document inside Canva, you just need to click on Docs on the home page and then click here, and your document will be created. To open the app, I will again go to Apps and search for Embed. Open this first app. Here you can see all the platforms which you can use to embed media from in your documents. Here you can add any link from these mentioned platforms and just click on add to design and the media from the link will be automatically embedded into your document. I have already copied the link of a YouTube video, so let's try embedding it to our document. As you can see, this app works really well and can be really useful if you are creating explanatory documents for your clients or anyone. So let's move on to our next app, which is called Lorem Ipsum. You might already know Lorem Ipsum is a dummy text which we can use to showcase our designs to our clients or maybe in our portfolios. By using the Lorem Ipsum app, we can add this dummy text to our design in Canva without going to their official website. So to open the app, again go to apps and search for Lorem Ipsum. On the right side, I'm using a ready-made template from Canva to show you how to use this app. So open this first app and here you can see the interface of the app. Here you can choose number of words that you want and your font size. Let's say I want 20 number of words and with the font size of 16. I will click on generate Lorem Ipsum and you can see the dummy text will be automatically created on our canvas. The generated text will be editable so you can change its font or size however you want. So these are the apps that are available for Canva free users as well and are really helpful to increase the speed of your workflows. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Thank you.